Good afternoon, my dear students. I am Dr. Deepak More, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya Chapoli, Taluka Chakur, District Latur. Now, the second semester start by our parent university, that is Swami Raman Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. Our board of study framed syllabus for BA first year, semester second for English optional, paper number third, named Understanding Non-Fictional Prose in English. Understanding Non-Fictional Prose in English. That is why we are going to study about the syllabi of English optional, paper number third, that is Understanding Non-Fictional Prose in English. Then objectives of the course. To introduce the learners to the basics of non-fictional prose in English through close reading of select literary text. Number 2, to develop the skills of analysis, interpretation, and critical scrutiny through the study of diverse non-fictional prose writings. And last one, to acquaint the learners with the art of non-fictional prose in English. Intended outcomes. Learners will be able to appreciate English non-fictional prose with an understanding of various prose writings as developed through ages. Number 2, through responding to different prose writings, learners will be enriched in the use of prose for diverse thematic expressions. Number 3, learners will attain a certain degree of proficiency in the interpretation of English prose. Then now we are going to study about the syllabus of Understanding Non-Fictional Prose in English, paper number 3. The syllabus, unit number first. The content of the syllabus is to for unit number first is the elements of non-fictional prose. Unit number second, a brief history of English non-fictional prose. Unit number third, essays written by Francis Bacon. Number 1, of revenge. Essay number 2, of parents and children. Essay number 3, of marriage and single life. And essay number 4, of studies. These 4 essays wrote by Francis Bacon, the English essayist. Unit number 4 contains autobiography, and this autobiography is written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Its name is To Be Waiting for a Visa. Unit number 5, biography, that is Life of Milton, written by Samuel Johnson. Unit number 6, travelogue. Travelogue travels with a donkey in the Chevenix, written by Robert Stevenson. Then prescribed text. The prescribed text is an anthology of English non-fictional prose. Remind this book. The name of the book is to be an anthology of English non-fictional prose, to be published by Macmillan Education. Then continuous internal evaluation for 35 marks. That is, it contains 2 class tests of 10 marks each plus home assignment written by student, it may, or presentation presented by the student, or seminar delivered by student in the classroom, or project written by student of 15 marks is equal to 35 marks. Then end semester examination for 40 marks. It may be MCQ type questions or multiple choice questions, or it may be theory. Then at the time of examination, the university will take a decision for the pattern of examination, but the board of study provided us to be the pattern of paper is as follows. Question paper pattern. Question number 1, essay type question with internal choice based on unit number 3rd and 4th, and these uh, two units or the question number 1 is for 15 marks. Question number 2, essay type question with internal choice based on unit number 5 and 6 for 15 marks. Question number 3, short notes with internal choice. Question number 3A, unit first, 1 out of 2. Question number 3B, unit second, 1 out of 2 for 10 marks. The now, today's environment is a pandemic due to COVID-19. That is why I request you stay home and stay safe. Thank you very much.